Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'll be building the landing page for the Discord bot website. So yeah, let's get started. So currently, when I run the bot with no dot and then the landing page, let me just make like that, and then I'm gonna enlarge this. Okay, this looks a little better. Okay, so if I do localhost 300, as you can see here, main page. So obviously you don't want your main page to look something like this. You want it to look a little better. So we're gonna do some HTML today. Yeah, so we're just gonna create a new folder called pages. Okay, and then we're gonna put the landing page.html. Alright, so in landing page.html, first we'll define doc type. Let me just see if I get out mine, and then slash html. Okay, and then we're gonna do the basic setup basically, and then we're just gonna say HTML and then lang English. Okay, I don't really type HTML that much, that's why it might be a little slower. Okay, so head, we give it title, and you can put the title anything you want. I'm just gonna put the Discord bot name. In my case, my Discord bot is YouTube tutorials, so I'm just gonna do YouTube tutorials. Okay. Okay, and then next, after the head, we're gonna do div, and then header. And in header, we're gonna give a h1. Once again, put the bot's name, tutorials, and then next will be the image. Image. Okay. Give me a sec. Okay. So source, we're gonna put the link, and then out, I'm just gonna say bots avatar. Okay, so let's get the bots avatar. Let me just get the bot avatar. So to get the bot's avatar, you can just Ctrl+Shift+I and then click on this, and then click on the bot, and then just click the arrow like 3 times, and then you should see your link. In my case, it's a default avatar, that's why it's giving this link. Okay, so if I go to discord.com/assets, and then the link just now, okay, it should give me the the avatar. So I'm just gonna click copy image address, and then I'm gonna paste the address in here. Okay, simple enough. And then okay, one more thing, I need you guys to install a extension called live server. So basically what it does, it allows us to do this. Open with live server. Okay, and then you can see our progress. Yeah, so I hope you highly recommend you download it so you can see your changes on the go. The Discord, most, you can just give a random description, short description, and then we're gonna give a long description. Powerful moderation bot. Okay, and then p tag, and then class, I'm just gonna give a description. For the styling later on, description. And then this bot helps you with your Discord server. You can put anything you want, and I'm just gonna put a random a random description. So this is Laura. Yeah. So just put a description if you want. If you don't want, it's fine. So yeah, these headers, and then now we're gonna put a body. Okay, and then div, and then class will be buttons. Okay, and then we're gonna use a few buttons. First button, you're just gonna give all the classes as btn commands. Let's copy this. Okay, and then in here I'm gonna put the invite button, and then in here I'm gonna put let me just see support. So commands invite support. You can add more buttons if you want. And then yeah, this is the base of the project. So yeah, this is the website. Okay, so yeah, the video ends now. Okay, I'm just joking. We're gonna do some CSS. So after this div, we're gonna do the style tag. Okay, and then we're gonna start with the styles. And then first style, we're gonna target button. So .btn. Okay, and then we want the background color. And then I'm just gonna use the green, because whatever. Okay, green black, I don't know what I'm saying. And then color, I mean just the orange. And then font size, and then 14 pixel. And then transition duration, give it a 0.5 seconds. And then border 2 pixel solid for CAF 50. There's green. You can put any color you want actually, but yeah. And then border radius, and then 8 pixels. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna invoke some fonts, because we don't want to use these fonts because it's very boring. Okay, so we're gonna invoke some fonts. So I have some fonts right here. Okay, to see the fonts, just go fonts.google.com and then search up the font name. So the first font we're gonna use 3 fonts actually. So the first font we're gonna use is the Josephine Sans. Okay, and then we're gonna use this one regular 400. Okay, all you need to know is just click on select this style, and then click on here. Okay, I'll remove this. I'll show you later on how to do this. Okay, Josephine Sans regular 400. Okay, and then you just need to copy this and paste it above in your header tag. In your head tag. So just paste that in. Okay, and then you should be able to use. So now we're gonna add a few more fonts for us. Google fonts. You're gonna find from Niwave. Of course, you can use any font you want. I'm just gonna use my preferred fonts. Just click on select this style, and then I'll just remove this, and then you copy the second one because we already did this pre-connecting right here. So we just need to copy the second one. Okay, right here, and then the last font we're gonna use is Fredoka. I think it's Fredoka. Let me just see. Fred. Okay, we're gonna use this for the title, and then just gonna copy this and paste it in here. Okay, then we should be good to go. Alright, so we can just go back to local tutorials, and then we can start coding again. Okay, so after the border radius, we're gonna give a font family, and then we can use Josephine Fin Sans, and then comma sans serif. Okay, and then as you can see here, the button font changes. It looks a little better now, I think. Okay, font size, let me just make it 12. Okay, I'll make the button a little bigger. Okay, now we're gonna do the button div. Okay, so let me just do buttons. Okay, we're gonna target this right now. We're just gonna text align. We're just gonna align everything to center. So we're just gonna do this. Okay, as you can see here, it changes the position to the middle. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make some animation when we hover over the button, so it looks a little better. So .btn and then hover, and then background color, and we're gonna use the same color, I think. Okay, and then color, and then I give it a white, I think, and then cursor, pointer. Okay, so it shows that when we go on the button, it will change it to white, and our cursor will be a pointer cursor. Okay, so it looks a little better. Okay, now for the heading 2. Let me see. H2 font size, we give it a 145%. Font family, and then we give it happy monkey, and then color will be some so we're gonna aim for a blur pearl color. Okay, and then now for the description, as you can see here, so description is gonna be, we're gonna use RGB colors. So description, we target the lorem text. This is basically your your short description. So I'm just gonna do color RGB, and then 180 255, so you get this color right here. Okay, and then text line, you're gonna align it to the center. Okay, and then as you can see here, and then font family, we'll give it the same one, Fred Doka 1. Okay, next we're gonna aim for the avatar. Display block, margin left, and then auto, margin right, auto, border 4 pixel, and then solid, and then from CAM 50, the color, same color, and then border radius, 100%. Width 20%. Same goes to the height 20%. And then web kit, we're gonna make an animation. So web kit transform, and then equal web kit transform. Let me just give a 0.8 seconds ease in out, and then in here we're gonna do, I forgot to put a semicolon. Okay, so transition transform dot as ease in out. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so now when we hover over the avatar, it's gonna make a spin. Okay, so hover, web kit transform rotate 60°, and then transform rotate 360°. Okay, so let me just see what it looks like. For some reason it's not working. Let me just see what's going on. Okay, now we just continue. I think it's lag, but yeah. Span, color, same color for CAF. Let me just copy this, and then font family, and then we're gonna use the new wave, and then text line center, font size will be 150 degrees. 150%. Okay. Wait, what am I even doing? I think I just messed things up. That's for span, and then for body, background color, and then we're gonna use the Discord color, which is 2C2F33. Okay, and then we get this dark color. Okay, and then for history, color 72898 for this blur pull color, and then font family. Let me see if I can paste this in. New wave, and then text line center, font size 150. As you can see here, it shows this. Okay, and then now for the HR border color, and then same thing for CAF 50. Okay, let me see where I messed up. Okay, I forgot to give a class name right here. Let me see, avatar image source. Okay, so in image source, we need to pass in a class called avatar. So class avatar. Okay, so now when I do this, it rotates the the avatar, as you can see here. Okay, now for the YouTube tutorials, H1. Let me see. For some reason it isn't working. Did I miss it out? Yeah, I forgot to start H1. let me just style h1 real quick. h1 font family will be Fredoka 1, and then text align center, font size 300%, then color 00 EFF. Okay, so for some reason this isn't working. Let me just Fredoka 1, select this style. Okay, I need to save Fredoka 1. Let me see. Okay, I have accidentally pasted 2 of the same one, so I need to change this to Fredoka 1 family. Hopefully this changes the fonts. As you can see here, the font changes, the tutorials, and the description. Okay, so if you go and rotate on the, if you hover over the the avatar, it's gonna give a little spin just for the design. Yeah. So this should so now we're gonna do it. So now we have the HTML file already, so we're gonna use Express and send this file. So we're gonna send it right here. If you go to localhost 3000, and then there should be the YouTube tutorials HTML file. So how we're gonna do this is we're gonna go back to our ready event, or the ready event, and then first we're gonna require path, const path equals require path. If you haven't installed this, just go to your terminal and then run npm I path to install. I don't think you really see. Okay, just do npm I path to install. Okay, I already did, so I'm not going to do it again. Let me just start the bot up again. Okay, actually, we don't need to start it up. Okay, so now we can send the file rest of status. Okay, and then instead of sending main page, we're gonna send file and then path.join. Okay, so here's the tricky part. Okay, so I'm gonna send the dir name. We're gonna go to the dir name first, dir name, and then comma, and then dot, and then because we're gonna exit the directory, and then we're gonna go to pages, and then we're gonna go to landing page.html. Okay, so let's just save the file, and then let's start the bot up and also the server. So let's see if this works. Okay, just refresh the page. As you can see, if I go localhost 3000, you can see YouTube tutorials as the title, and then here is the basic website. Oh, one more thing, I forgot about it. So in order to add redirect, as you can see here, if I click the buttons, there won't be any effect. So now I'm gonna show you guys how to redirect it. So in here, we're gonna use onClick, and then what do I do here? I'm gonna do location, href, and then equals, and then we can use a string if you want. I'm just gonna use a string, and then you're just gonna see the link. So if I do for the first button commands, I'm not gonna do for commands because it'll be in the next video on the commands page. Let's just give it for support, the support server. Okay, so just do on click, and then location or href, and then in my case I'm gonna redirect it to my server, so https reconlx.js.org, and then Discord. So this is my link. Okay, so if I start the bot up again, So basically when I click it, it's gonna redirect me to my link. Okay, so let me just refresh it. Okay, so when I click on support, okay, as you can see here, it redirects me to my link. So yeah, this is how you set up your landing page for your Discord bot. Alright, so yeah, okay. This has been a pretty long video, I think. Yeah, 25 minutes. Because I'm not used to typing HTML, I don't really do HTML. Yeah. This is how you can set up your landing page. If you like this series, make sure to leave a like and tell me in the comments that you want more. So if this video hits 30 likes, I'll continue with the next video on creating a command page for your Discord bot. It will be auto-synced, so you don't need to hard code the stuff yourself. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button. If you like this content, hit the subscribe button. It really helps the channel out. If you need help, feel free to join the support server, or you just want to talk with us, just join the support server. Yeah, see you again on the next video. Bye.